Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can connect your PS3 to a PSP using USB connection. So basically what we'll need to do is first of all go to your PS3 and go to the settings, and you will see remote play settings. So click on that one. After that you'll need to register a device, as you can see. So click on that and it will say the PSP system will be registered with PS3 system. Connect PSP system using a USB cable and then start selection USB connection under settings on the PSP system. So now what we'll need to do is go down to our PSP, and right here we'll have this cable, as you can see, like this. So plug one side to PS3 and other into PSP, and basically if we connect, it will say USB mode. You can just go back and on the PS3 connect your PSP, and after the connection is successful, you'll see that if you go to the game sharing, you'll see your PS3 will be connected. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. As you can see, it will say right here your PS3 on the remote play. So that's pretty much it, guys.